Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna do a little POV on the way to Turkey Hill. I haven't done the POV at all in this video, so I'm gonna use this. It's far away from the window, but trust me, as you can hear, you will hear this, and it's very loud, but I love it. And I can't wait to get the cams eventually when the money's right. So I have to speak a little loud so you guys can hear me. I just dropped it into reverse and listen to how it changes the gears. It's amazing. I love it. Really brings out the chop once you put it into gear. So, all right, let's get started. Just gotta put my seatbelt on. All right, let's roll. Okay, gotta wait on this truck. All right. Been meaning to do this for a long time with the POV. Daddy, we'll be back, sweetie. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna do a little baby thing. That was nothing. That was fucking nothing. But sorry for my language, but that was nothing. That was just a little baby go. All right. Now let's just cruise. Gotta let it warm up. Let the oil temperature warm up. So you're just gonna hear the El Camino. When I let off, it's just a little choppy on the outside, but it's nice and cordial. But on the highway, oh man, you don't want to take it on the highway. But around town, it's freaking awesome. I love it. Just cruising at 30 miles an hour. Do a little something right here real quick. There we go. That was a little better for you guys. Drop it down to second gear. At better RPMs, it'll do some backfires, but not at the moment. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it there. Actually, I'm gonna pause it, see if that'll work. I'm gonna pause it, run in real quick, swap out this sugar-free drink that my son got me by accident because he didn't read the can, and then I'm gonna grab the regular. All right, we're back. My son forgot to give me the card back, so gotta go get my card. So I just wasted gas because I forgot to get the card back from him. So I can't even get nothing. All right, let's try this again. Oh man, I don't know why it's all blurry. Sorry guys, there we go. I had to click the screen. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait to get the bigger, wider tires in the rear. I'm not gonna go any higher on the height. I think it's a 70s right now for height-wise. I think they're either 215s or 225, and then 70-15 R15s. But I'm gonna keep it 15s for the rim size, and then I'm gonna go wide tire, probably about 275. Might need it. Probably will need a spacer, just so it's not hitting the fender on the inside of the fender, not the well of it. where it'll hit like the inside of the bed. So I'm gonna probably have to get a little, like maybe an inch spacer. That should be plenty. But when I put the air shocks on in the rear, it's gonna raise it up enough that I'm not gonna have to worry about any fender roll or scraping or anything. So fucking truck is on my ass for no damn reason. Better see my fucking blinker. Fucking hate people, man. Sorry for my life. People piss me off because they want to ride people's ass without paying the fucking attention. Come on, guy. I don't know how you don't hear me coming. Freaking people on bikes do not pay attention. I need the card. I need the card. You forgot to give me the card back. Now you owe me for gas. No, I'm just kidding. Hi, baby. Annie forgot to give me the card back. Daddy's broke at the moment till later, so he can't, he's got to use food stamps.
Huh?
I'm talking to YouTube. I'm talking to YouTube.
Oh.
All right, I'll be back. Daddy will be right back. It's okay. I'll get you a snack. Not that you can hear me. Gotta give her a little treat. I set up the sandbox for her today, so she was loving that. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, I love this thing. I really want to go bigger than 275, but I think 275 for now will be perfect. This is turning into a longer video than I wanted at the moment because I feel like people, you guys, I don't know, let me know in the comments because, come on, we're turning. Can't wait to get this thing to a car show. In time, it'll get fully restored again. It was restored a long time ago by previous owners back in March of 2000. Fully from bare metal frame, all the way redone. So, oh man, I get compliments all the time on this. Nobody has it anymore. But anyways, I was trying to say, let me know in the comments whether you guys like shorter or longer clipped videos, like, because I try to make a decent amount of videos, which you just got to make time for. You can fit it in any time. Just pick up the phone, start recording. Eventually, I'm going to get a GoPro, and I have to get a laptop so that I can edit and bring some music in and whatnot. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. I'm back in the store. Give you guys a little quick startup so you guys can hear that quick growl. See if it does it. Sometimes it really does it, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. It's better from the outside, but from the angle you're at, I'm sure you guys could hear it nicely. Wait for this fan to move from behind me. That was sweet. I didn't have to show you a receipt or nothing. The Red Bull was still cold, so they let me return it, which was awesome. Oh, so much traffic all the time. Tourists, summertime, it gets crazy around here. on again real quick if you guys are ready. 3, 2, it's cruising at a little under 2,000 RPMs. Here we go. Ready, set, go. This thing freaking goes. And a lot of people underestimate this, but like I said, it has, I believe, has 350 bottom end and then the 305 head. So 305s have more torque, higher torque than the 350s full. So that's just from what I've done on research anyways. So man, this thing is awesome. I did a carb cleanup yesterday. I should have recorded it, but I couldn't. Well, I could have put it on my stand for the phone holder, but I didn't. But it was about a 30-minute process, and you have to hold the throttle cable. You have to estimate it at about 2,000 RPMs. You have to hold it, and you have to keep spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying the bottle, the can, into the carburetor with the hose angled into it. Traffic is ridiculous. Can't even squeeze through. Do not hit me. One more little pull. Burning that gas up. So that should make a nice video for you guys. But like I said, please let me know. Yes, Daddy's back, baby. I hear you. We'll do a little rev. Ready? Uh-oh. I don't know if my... Was she crying? Oh, okay. I made my baby cry. She loves it, but she don't like when it's super loud. Did she start crying? No. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, baby. All right. Alrighty, guys. Oh, there she is. Hi, baby. Oh. Hi. Hold on. Alright. Alrighty. Until next time, guys. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you like shorter videos. I mean, if it's about, I'm gonna end it at 13 minutes exactly. So I'm just gonna talk until the last 15 seconds. So just let me know, like long, short videos, or do you like a mix of both? And do you want more little short videos? Alright. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.